In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play a story. Playing a story requires you to navigate through the virtual world, interacting with other characters and using multiple graphical tools to manage the simulation. When the story loads, the first thing you will see is the briefing. There are 4 tabs. The Background tab gives information about the story background and the actions required to complete the story. The work breakdown structure shows the sequences in which accomplishments must be achieved to successfully complete the project. The Characters tab gives information about the characters present in the story. The Help tab describes how to control your movements and actions in the game. Once you have finished exploring the briefing, click the Character tab and select Play as Ingrid. Ingrid's office. You start the story in your office. Use your cursor keys to navigate the 3D world, and your mouse cursor to interact with other objects and available tools. There are 4 buttons at the bottom of the screen that you can click. The Briefing button reopens the briefing. The Teleport button allows you to travel to different environments where you can chat to different characters. Gantt allows you to control the simulation activities. And Exit allows you to exit the game. The Gantt shows you the overall project schedule and acts as the main interface to control the simulation activities necessary to complete a project. When a task is in progress, it is represented by a green bar. Available tools within the Gantt include Market Location, Account, Market Tender, Market Sales Order, and Inventory. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Market Location. The Market Location tool allows you to buy land from other characters. Selecting the name of an owner will open a list of the lands associated with that character. Selecting the name of a specific land will produce the description and value associated with it. You may choose to acquire a specific land item via the Acquire button, which is only available if the character has submitted an agreement to sell their land. So here, for instance, I can see that there are 2 options for the land. I can talk to Maria, the mayor, or I can talk to Jens, the farmer. I've decided to talk to Jens. So next I will teleport to the farm. Clicking the Teleport button allows you to jump from your current location in the game to any other available location. Each available location is represented with a picture and a location name to inform you of where you will be teleported. For instance, you will find the farmer in the farm and the mayor in the mayor's office. Interacting with characters. When you click a character in the game, there are 2 options. Clicking Examine gives a brief description of the character. Clicking Chat activates the Chat tool. The Chat tool works like predictive text. You can type in keywords and the system will try to predict what you want to say. You then need to select the option that best fits what you want to say. There is also the option to talk about a specific context. When you type in the tool, you will see it appear at the top of the predictive text options. This can help to guide your conversation as you can select from context-specific options. For example, you might choose the context Greetings, where you can choose from options such as Hi, Hello, etc. The game will automatically end when you meet the ending conditions. You can also choose to end the game at any time by clicking the Exit button. The End Game window will appear. You will be asked to rate your experience according to perceived difficulty, from 1 star, easy, to 9 stars, hard. You can also rate the perceived usefulness of the experience, from 1 star, useless, to 9 stars, very useful. Next, you will need to click to Show CPA. CPA stands for Competence Performance Assessment module. Now we will look at reflecting on your experience. Now that you have played the story, you can review your experience using the CPA module. Your experience data includes a video replay, your game chat log, and a graph with performance data. You can reflect on your experience by exploring your performance data and thinking about three main questions. 1. Which parts did you do well? 2. Which parts did you do poorly? 3. What would you do differently next time? Please note this reflection involves thinking only. You do not need to write your answers down. When exploring the CPA module for the stakeholder management game, focus on the performance lines for the four main competencies: negotiation, trust building, communication, and risk and opportunity.